Once HA4i has been installed, we can now load and apply the latest PTFs to get the most recent changes. First, we will load the PTFs with the load PTF command. The two save files we are interested in are the same save files mentioned in the last video. Q1 HA4i and Q1 HA7201. Next, we will apply the PTFs. We will keep the value of star temp in order to maintain the ability to walk the updates back out if necessary. And that is the PTFs installed. We occasionally send updates to customers as save files that contain all of the updated objects since the last PTF. We use the load run technology, which is available in the OS from V2R1 onwards. Using this, we can now install the latest fix. The save file we shipped the latest fix in as of this recording was HA4i042921. The product is now installed and up to date on the source system. The next step is to install HA4i on the target system. Head to Installing HA4i*net for more instruction. Thank you for following along.